Hey everyone, good morning to the world, good morning YouTube. Just dropped Jang and Rosie off there and I've now headed up to St Cyrus just for an afternoon walk, just off today. The clips you saw there at the start, that was us at Barry Buddon last Sunday afternoon. Just went for a cycle up to the lighthouses. It was a lovely afternoon and a really nice place for a wee cycle. But today is just about walking, just back to the usual St Cyrus, folks. We're going to see if there's any water on the waterfall today. So there's a fair few people on the beach today. It's actually busier than it normally is. The waves are very poor. 1 out of 10 for the waves today. Not good, folks. Yeah, I thought it might be a wee bit better than this, but winter's coming. Might get some bigger waves soon. So yeah, heading down to the waterfall. Looks like there's virtually no water on the waterfall either. So, but it's always nice to walk along here. There's today's wildlife, folks. Surprise, surprise, it's seagulls. Must be a few fish in there, maybe. Okay, so we made it to the waterfall, and as I thought, folks, yeah, not much water, as I just trip over the rocks. There's not much water on it today, but what we've got here, actually quite an easy walk across today. There's actually a few people trying to walk across. I see them struggling over the rocks. Looks like 2 tourists, so might go and give them a hand in a minute. But yes, here we are, folks. Yeah, Cam's made it over there with loads of birds perching beside it. But it's such a beautiful area, isn't it? Been here so many times. Still nice, especially when the sun's out like it is now. So here we are, we're at the Kingennie Open today and Larry's bought a hat. He's bought a hat, everybody, and it's like 30 degrees. So anyway, last time seemingly I got 126, Larry got 105, so that's what we're going to beat. That is the challenge for today. We're on at 11:40 and we got here at 9 o'clock. So we've now got like 2 hours and 40 minutes to waste. So just do a bit of hokey cokey.
And here we find Stu in a bit of difficulty at the the fourth. He's not got a lot of room to play with here. This is his 6th shot. He's in trouble. I'm sure he can do it though. Oh, look at that, masterful. If there was galleries and crowds here, they'd be applauding and shouting their heads off. What a player.
Better 5, I wants it up.
I couldn't believe that.
Was in the bungalow? Hey!
I did not believe that.
I just want to film this hole because look at it, it's beautiful. Beautiful golf hole. Which last time Jace took 3 and I took a 4. So it's not going well so far. I've got double figures, I've got 9s. It's not good. Look at that, in the sky. The clouds.
Here he is, Stuart Betty. He's actually going to the wrong bit. If I send this in, I'll get £250. Quiet, please. Stuart has a bit of work to do to catch up with Larry, but he's a fighter and a trier. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's soaring, it's soaring, soaring. It's gone, gone, gone. I don't know where it's gone, but it's gone.
Okay, so 9 shots, 9 holes gone. Larry is leading by how many?
13.
13.
But it's not done yet. Long way to go.
Long way to go.
Long way to go.
I've got to get 1 shot a hole, so therefore I'm still in with a chance.
And we're back here on the second 9, and once again Stu is in the sand. But
I love the beach, you know.
it's Stu, here he goes. There's the pin. He's got quite a distance to cover. Let's see what he can do with this. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh dear. I'll keep the camera rolling, I think. There's £250 in it somewhere. You'll probably still get away with 4 here. Oh no, this. Hold on, Stu. I think I've got a spade and a bucket for you here. Oh, this. Oh, he's out. I was going to say this is painful, but I can stop recording. But that is a tremendous shot. Yeah, what a shot. Take a bow, Stuart Betty. Yeah.
Larry's first drive went from there to there. My shot has ended up back in the bunker that was in a minute ago. Do you believe it? Yeah.
Well, that's what I played.
Oh, it's high. Oh. Just getting beyond a joke, folks. Every hole but in a bunker is another one. Unbelievable. So, folks, just want to point out this man on the tractor thing. He's been following us every single hole for the last 4 hours. He's been there. I think he's been sent to spy on us.
Been well paid by Larry.
Folks, I actually hit the guy in the tractor with my drive. I actually hit him. It's my best shot of the day. Look, he's retreated now. He's scared. There he is again. Look, he's following us every single hole. Every hole. I've got a scenic pond here with a little waterfall. Look at this. Very picturesque. I'm going to attempt to go across the bridge without falling in. Oh no, I better not. So to point out, Larry's ball's actually in the water there. There it is. We'll come up second from last, folks, and it's all to play for. Here goes Larry. It's early 9 iron, 6 iron. That's a good shot. That's a good shot. Play Larry with your girly 9 iron. It's the final hole.
Larry playing the conservative.
He's got his curly iron out again. Oh, it's way right. There we go. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. This is it. This is the final hole of the Kingennie Open.
Larry walking up with a 28 shot lead over.
He's lying, obviously. And it's been very enjoyable. Weather's been really warm today. It's been 20 degrees.
Stu killed a swan.
Killed a swan. And that's about it, really. That's the most exciting thing that's happened. But it's all to play for. I've got to win this hole by 20 odd shots. Chase goes in the water, stays there for an hour. I could win. Oh, I'm just here, hang on, my ball. Remember Jean van de Velde when he crumbled at Carnoustie? Remember? He was in the water, he was in the stands, he had everything to play for. That's Larry today. It's in the water. Surely he's not going in the water. Surely not. Surely.
We'd let us check, because I don't think...
Did you see that, folks? Did you actually see that?
I've enjoyed that.
Did you actually bring that with you?
That's the last time we're going to play Kingennie.